Fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom across the world, I welcome you to this very platform once again, wherever you are watching me from. I thank you for being part of this platform, wherever you are connecting on from. We appreciate you and we thank you for being part of this very platform. If you have not subscribed to this very channel, please kindly subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified each time we upload a video, and you will be among the first to visit and see the video. Fellow Biafrans, remember this platform is Biafra Exodus Hard Talk TV. We bring information to you on the things that are happening in the contractual core Nigeria. We bring you information about the Biafra Republic government in exile. We bring you details on the restoration of the independent state of Biafra. Everything that has to do with Biafra, we bring it to your doorstep. And today, I've come once again to update you on situation of things. Fellow Biafran that are watching, every one of you know that the supreme leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, appeared in court on the 17th as planned. And you all know from the beginning of the day, those of us who are genuine and legitimate Biafra has no faith or trust in Nigerian judiciary. We have no trust in them, and we never believe that Nnamdi Kanu will get justice in the hand. In the same manner, even the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu, they do not believe that Nnamdi Kanu can get justice in the Zolaka Republic, and that is the situation. This is why we have intensified in everything we are doing to see that we force them to obey their own laws and release Nnamdi Kanu. As Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court yesterday, just as he said in the past event, that no trial will go on until he is granted bail, until his rights are respected from the first to the last. You cannot be in illegality and you will be talking about legality. It doesn't happen anywhere. Nnamdi Kanu requested that he should be granted bail, even if it is a house arrest. He is willing to be there and attend his ear. But for him to remain in the DSS, and they will continue to manipulate, jeopardize his health, and trying to do all sort of things against him, that he will not stand any trial in Nigeria anymore. And that remains the stance. On the appearance yesterday, the legal counsel of Nnamdi Kanu submitted more applications to the council, submitted more applications to the judges to make sure that Nnamdi Kanu is granted bail. They are demanding for Nnamdi Kanu's rights to be given. They should restore the bail of Nnamdi Kanu, who was truncated in the past. It was the same Nigerian government that violated the right of Nnamdi Kanu. They went to his house to take his life, and Nnamdi Kanu escaped for his life. Their own court has confirmed that Nnamdi Kanu has never at any point in time jumped bail, and that is the true situation. Nnamdi Kanu never jumped bail. It was they that went to the house of Nnamdi Kanu to kill him while he was getting ready to come to the court. In fact, Nnamdi Kanu made a broadcast in which he said that he's coming to Abuja with 1 million men march when he's coming for his case. He wasn't running away. But because Nigeria is a lawless country where they do not have any point to prove or any place to stand, they went ahead to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu in his house. They went not just to kidnap him, to take his life. And in the process, Nnamdi Kanu lost his parents. 28 other men were lost in that very house. Jack also was killed. Up to this moment, nobody has been held accountable on what happened in the home of our Supreme Leader Nnamdi Kanu. And they didn't stop at that. After Nnamdi Kanu have escaped for his own life, which is what every human being is supposed to do. And their court agrees to that. Then they went ahead to chase Nnamdi Kanu all the way to Kenya in connivance with Kenyan government, and they kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu. Then sent him to Nigeria through extraordinary rendition, which is another offense, committing a crime against international law. A crime, a law they signed up for. They committed a crime. They kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu, sent him to Nigeria through extraordinary rendition, and they didn't stop there. They went ahead to take him to their own court. In their own court, Nnamdi Kanu defeated them. Their own judges say that Nnamdi Kanu is innocent, and no court in Nigeria has the right to try his case anymore until they prove the situation. They clear the situation surrounding his kidnap Up to today, they have not been able to clear that. And yet, they have continued to hold Mazen Nnamdi Kanu for the past 3 years in their DSS, not even in the decision center, in their DSS. And their own court have directed them to reinstate the bail of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu because it was not Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that truncated that bail. It was the federal government of Nigeria that went against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. They were the one that violated his rights. They were the one that went to his house to kill him. In the process, he lost his 2 parents. 28 able men, Biafrans, were lost. Jack himself lost his life. This is the true situation. And up to today, they are still moving front and back in their court. And Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has made it clear that until his right is being respected, he will not stand any trial. And that is where the Biafran people stand. That is where the legal team stands. As at yesterday, they submitted more applications to demand for the bail of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Even if they want to grant him a house arrest, no problem, acceptable. Even if the judge himself will provide her own house for him to be there or any place at all, but not in the DSS. That is where the case is. And fellow Biafran, now you understand better. From the very first day of this case, we have been shouting and saying that the freedom of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is in our hands, not in the hand of our enemy. We have been calling people to wake up, stand up, and do the right thing. But some of us did not understand. Now you understand better that the freedom of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is in our hands, not in the hand of our enemies. And I thank you, that as the time goes on, today you begin to see those who are truly the enemies of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Even his own household, people that have slept with him, people who have eaten with him, people who have been with him for a very long time, they are the true enemies of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And I hope you are not surprised. You know, I have always said it that it is only a question of time. In everything that our Prime Minister Mazen Samanoko have said, it's just a question of time. Just be silent and watch. You are going to begin to see the reality of what he has said. In the Biafra Republic of Nigeria, we don't push propaganda. We don't lie. We say things the way they are. And when we are saying it, we're not trying to introduce political correctness. We say it the way it is. All you need to do, if you cannot be able to digest it, be patient. As time goes on, you begin to understand. While Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was in the court attending his case, his wife was dining with his own enemy. We saw videos and pictures that came out from the court. His wife was not present, but she is in Nigeria, dining with people who Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have sacked from his case. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? This is sad, but that is the situation. The supreme leader of IPOB, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, is attending his case in the court. The woman who claimed to be his wife, who is supposed to be the first person to appear in the court, did not go there. Instead, she went and she was taking pictures with the enemies of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, people that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have relieved from his case, people that he has relieved from his case. Is that how much you hate your husband? Is that how much you hate him? Now it is becoming much, much clearer that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has no one around him all this while. He has been with his enemy for a very long time. And I thank you that all things is working for good for them that trust in him. For the fact that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu loved Chukwuokame, that was why Chukwuokame allowed certain things to happen. And today, we are beginning to see why things happen the way they happen. And we have no regret about it. All we have is thanks to Chukwuokame for saving our Supreme Mazen Nnamdi Kanu from the clutches of the enemies. We thank Chukwuokame for keeping him alive up to this minute. And we believe by the special grace of Chukwuokame, our Supreme Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will be out very soon. I appreciate everyone that have connected to this platform. Please like and share this video to all platforms. Share to family and friends and continue to pray for our Supreme Mazen Nnamdi Kanu for sustenance. Continue to pray for Mazen Nnamdi Kanu for wisdom, knowledge, understanding, for good health and strength. Very soon, he's going to be out and every one of us will rejoice with him. Thank you so much for sharing this video. Biafra government, peace, progress, unity, and equity. We move airborne.